Hello, dear viewer. You're welcome to Family Health and Life TV. To our subscribers, we say thank you for staying tuned to our channel. We will not disappoint you. Thank you very much. We appreciate your comments, your feedbacks, and we appreciate your viewership. Thank you very much. To you, if you are visiting the channel for the very first time, we say thank you for coming on board, and we implore you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell button. Click on the bell button so that you stay alerted as soon as our new videos are coming out. And we promise not to let you down. Here is Family Health and Life TV, and all we do here is to bring you tips on how to stay healthy and make your health wholesome for all the family members. Thank you. Hello. Yeah, today we're going to be discussing something very important to our health, something very important to our well-being, and it's one thing that almost everybody does. But the question is it being done the right way or is it being done the wrong way? So in today's video, we're going to be seeing how we've been doing it and how well it ought to be done if we have been doing it in the wrong way. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at fruits. I know, of course, we know that fruits are of several benefits to our health. It's one class of food that is very important, that has so many, filled with so many nutrients. As we know that fruits have fiber, they are good sources of fiber for normal digestion. And when you consume enough fiber and you have enough normal digestion, you can reduce the risk of some diseases, so many diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, blood pressure, among others. And also, when you take more fiber, then you have less risk of having constipation caused by indigestion or so. So you have less risk of exposure to constipation. And fruit they are good sources of essential vitamins and minerals. There are some vitamins that the body itself cannot produce. The body cannot produce those vitamins for itself. So when you consume enough fruits, these essential vitamins and minerals are supplied, and they make you healthy and you are energized. Okay, another thing that fruits will do to your body is that taking fruits, in place of these high-calorie foods, will help you to control weight gain. So if you really want to control your weight, you can consume more of fruits. Many of them are very low in calorie compared to our heavy foods that most of them are high in calorie. Then food is a good source of water, especially when you take your watermelon and some of those fruits, oranges and all that. So the water content in those fruits will make you and keep you hydrated. You have enough water in your system, so you are hydrated. And one of the importances of being hydrated is that you have your skin glowing. When you are well hydrated, you wouldn't have dry skin, as it were. So consuming fruit has a lot of benefits, and I know most people are aware of this benefit, and so they want to consume fruit. They eat fruit and all that. But some have been doing it the wrong way, and instead of enjoying the benefits of eating fruit, it's actually been doing a disservice to them. So we're going to see how well we are meant to be eating fruit and how people have been taking it wrongly. I'm just going to be giving you 5 ways that might suggest that you have been eating fruit the very wrong way. Just 5 pointers to show you that, if you have been doing any of them, then you know that, you have been taking fruit the very wrong way, and you may not get the maximum benefit that your body is supposed to get from eating fruit. Okay, some of us are so fond of eating fruit, and after meals, we don't know when to eat fruit. We feel because fruits are beneficial to our health, we can take them anytime. No, that's wrong. After taking a large meal, maybe taking breakfast or whatever, after a large meal, you are not supposed to eat fruits immediately after. I will tell you why. Fruits naturally, they have a faster digestion time. they have a faster digestion time. They digest more easily and faster than some of these are foods that we consume. So when you consume your large meal and you immediately eat fruit, so there is a confusion in the body system. There's a confusion with the digestive system because of the disparity in the digestion times, and so sometimes people feel, but I've eaten fruit, why is it that I'm feeling bloated and constipated? Yes, you will feel that because the body is confused. It doesn't know which one to process first. And there is something called fermentation. Fruits generally supply sugar to the body. They supply sugar. So when there is fermentation of the sugar content of your fruit and they are combined with carbs and protein in your body, definitely there is a delay in digestion process and you can experience something like bloating. You can feel so bloated and all that. So stop eating fruit immediately after a large meal.